With CreateSpot, leaving a critique is simple and flexible. You can start by adding a general comment using plain text, or you can get more specific by selecting a particular area of the work and attaching your feedback directly to it. For example, if I want to highlight this part of the piece, I can just drag to select the area. CreateSpot shows me exactly what I've selected, and I can add whatever feedback I want right here. Once I submit the critique, it appears alongside the selected area. That way, the creator immediately understands what part of the work the feedback is referring to, without any guesswork. This works the same way with text-based pieces as well. I can select a specific section of text, leave a comment, and the critique stays connected to that exact selection. The result is clearer, more focused feedback that's easier for creators to understand and respond to.